Getting our message out amongst the noise of our competitors has always been a problem for us. So we wanted to make sure that we were able to get our message into the ears and eyes of the right people, and Joe Justice's organization allowed us to do that. At Zerbe and Pence, we are a law firm that helps disabled people file their claim for Social Security disability and get benefits from the federal government when they become disabled and unable to work.
So when David said that he wanted to cut through the noise, I knew exactly what he meant. The legal space is crowded, especially when you're trying to reach people who may not even realize they qualify for help. So our first step was a strategy session to pinpoint his exact audience, their age range, life circumstances, and what would resonate with them emotionally. That insight shaped every piece of content that we created.
We've been advertising for over 20 years, so I've worked with a lot of different entities out there and organizations. Joe's office was great. They set everything up. It was smooth, it was quick, it was very painless.
Obviously, Dave's no stranger to marketing. He's seen what works and what doesn't. So for us, the bar was high, and we had to bring something fresh, efficient, and impactful. Fundamentally, we produced a branding video for Zerbe and Pence, using our Reach, Captivate, and Grow with Video system to identify and inform potential clients.
One of the best parts about this entire process is that we didn't have to go online, we didn't have to create profiles, and we didn't have to monitor the analytics. Joe Justice did all of that for us. Joe had everything set up. We didn't have to do anything but appear and present our message, and Joe did all of the legwork and all the hard work to get that set up. It was very easy.
That's the power of a system. We don't just shoot a video and send it off on a flash drive. We handle editing, uploading, writing the captions, scheduling the post, launching the ad campaigns, and even monitoring the results. And each month we meet and refine the next round of content based on what's working, and that's how we keep up the momentum.
Results have been great. We've had a lot of people connect with our website. We've had people comment to me on the streets about seeing the video online, commenting about the content. So we've had a really good feedback on the video experience.
This is what happens when video content actually connects. People don't just see a commercial, they see David speaking directly to them. And because we structured the content to lead viewers to his website, we saw an increase in traffic, higher engagement rates, and most importantly, new inquiries.
If Joe wasn't available, we would not have done this at all. So it's been a real great opportunity for us to really put ourselves out there on this platform.
If you're like David, an expert in your field but unsure how to cut through all the noise online, I'd love to talk. Let's build a campaign to reach and captivate your audience and then grow your business month after month.
Thanks to Joe Justice, we've been able to reach, captivate, and grow.